sit around the thing.
Did you go poo-poo in your pants?
Yeah, then pee.
Then pee?
Yeah.
Did you eat your poo-poo?
Yeah.
You did?
No, pee.
You drank your pee?
Yeah.
Does he bark when he's in his cage?
Did you drink your pee-pee?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah, like it.
Did it
Tastes like lemonade?
Yeah, you like it.
Ryan, did it taste like milk?
Yeah, that milk.
Animal milk?
Yeah, burger.
What did your poo-poo taste like?
Hamburger.
Oh, burger.
I think Nutty wants to. Hey, Nutty.
Ryan, did you poo-poo in your pants just now?
Yeah, oh, pee.
Hey.
Do you want to eat it?
Nutty.
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Nutty likes to give 5. Come here, Nutty.
Say, Mommy, I want to eat my poo-poo.
No, don't eat poo-poo. Yucky.
Does Grandpa Jim Jim eat his poop?